Welcome to Via Digitally. Today we are going to do the activity on counting the numbers. So this activity we are going to do with the nature things, okay, nature items. So here the things I have used are a colored paper and the leaves from the tree and a stem like this, the small stem. First take the stem and secure to the colored paper in order to move, in order not to move while doing the activity. Okay, so next I have used the alphabets, sorry, not numbers, with the magnets. Okay, you can choose the numbers which is written on cardboard also. So I have taken this. Now let us see how my kid does. Okay, Nana, see, what is this number?
3.
So, how many leaves you have to keep? How many leaves?
3.
Huh. Keep properly, like this. Keep. 1 here. Here. 2. 3. Finish. Wait. Now remove all the leaves. Now what is this number?
1.
Keep. How many leaves you have to keep?
H.
How many? How many leaves?
1.
Very good.
3.
Wait. Now what is this number?
2.
Keep the 2 leaves.
2.
Keep the 2 leaves.
2 leaves.
Keep. Very good. Wait. Now, what is this number?
5.
How many leaves you have to keep? How many leaves? Show. Keep. Keep on the paper. Keep on the paper. 4. Another one. Keep here. 1. Count. 1.
1. 2. 3. 4.
4. What is this number?
5.
So you have to keep one more, right? Keep. Yes. Now it is 5. Now it is 5. Keep. Yes. Right. Now, what is this number?
4.
Now keep. How many leaves you have to keep? 4.
4.
Keep 4 leaves. Keep 4 leaves on the paper. Count. Count. Keep here. 1. How many leaves are there?
H.
How many? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, this is the activity. Here I have taken only the 9 letters, up to 9 letters. For the elder kids, you can increase the number depending upon your kids' age. So, by doing this activity, the skills developed are kids learn to how to count the numbers, and also the fine motor skills are also improved, and also they can learn about the leaves and stem also. If you like this video, please do try with your kid and let us know your feedback in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and share the video, and for more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive the notification every time we post the video. Thanks for watching.